Hi everyone, welcome back for another tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to talk about the Mixer Brush tool. It's a submenu inside the brush tool. So if you click and hold, there you go, Mixer Brush, last option, and it's a new feature inside Photoshop CS5. So I've got one of the brushes that was shipped with CS5. As you can see, there's a few of these ones here. So these ones here, they're called bristle brushes because they try to achieve the same effect as you would while painting on a canvas. But now let's go for the settings right here on the top. So when we have the checkerboard, it's very simple what it does. So I'm going to first create a new layer, and what it does is it cleans the brush. So I'm going to stroke the blue sky. I release the mouse and it just cleaned my brush, and I can go back into this one, release the mouse, and now I can go here. So it's not mixing all these colors, so it's going from, it's sampling different colors right here. So what if we set up load brush? So load brush gets the foreground color that you can change. I'm just going for yellow, and what it does is it tries to blend, not like so, like this. So we've got the load brush and we've got this first option set. So what he's doing is he's trying to blend the yellow with this blue sky. I'm going to undo, and but I prefer clean brush. So I'll clean brush, I'll untick this one here, and I'll click this one. So every time I'll drag, it's sampling different colors, as you can see. And I'm going to show you the preview. So let's go back a couple more steps. There we go. So we've got right here some options. We've got from dry to wet and very wet. So what dry does is just mixes slightly the colors. It's something not too obvious. Kind of works quite well in this blue sky, as you can see. But if we go to very wet, it just picks up more colors from the original image. As you can see right here, it's picking up more colors and gives much a smoother painting effect. So this pretty much just try out. So from dry to moist, wet and very wet, it's just goes from sampling just a bit of the color all the way to sampling a lot of the color. So then if you're not happy with these presets, which they are brilliant, you can change how wet you want. So how wet, it means how much it will mix or it will smear with the original color. So I'm going back to 100, and now to load, how much you want to load the colors beneath, as you can see right here. And here mix 100%. It's how much you want to blend in together from with your brush and the background. And the flow just works exactly the same way as the flow on other tools in Photoshop. One thing I'd like to tell you is, when painting, try to go something like as straight as possible. I'm using for this demo just the mouse, but I would advise you to go for a Wacom tablet. They are brilliant for this. And as you can see, try to follow the lines. If you don't have very steady hand, I'm going to give you a nice cool tip. So I got rid of the other layer and I just created another one layer. So I'm going to grab the pen tool. So I'm going to grab the pen tool, I'm going to zoom out, and I'm going just to click right here and right here, and I've got this section is a path. So I'm going into a path channel and I'm going to save it. I'll just leave this path one, and now I'm going to right click in stroke and stroke path, and I can use Mixer Brush tool, and you can click on simulate pressure or not, and once you click OK, it's doing its magic. So I'm going, just as you can see, I'm going to go back to my layers. It did stroke it, and nice and straight. And then obviously you can just go and try to use your hand as well. But for these sort of detailed areas, it works really well if you want to be like proper straighter than what I'm doing actually. So just go and stroke a path. It's a bit time consuming, but it's worthwhile. Brilliant tool inside Photoshop. And that's it. If you have any more problems or queries, just let me know and I'll be here to help you out. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.